In our latest People of ITHENA, meet Varun Panchal, Director of Projects at ITHENA.
Hi everyone, my name is Varun. I'm a Director of Projects here at ITHENA, and I'm here to talk about my hobby, which is cooking. I started off by making dishes that my mom used to cook for us when we were young. I remember I used to watch her back when I was young. I used to help her cook by chopping vegetables and everything. And then when I recreated those, it kind of made me feel relaxed. Now I cook for my friends and family, and it gives me a lot of joy when I serve food to them and when I receive praise for them. A couple of quotes come to my mind in that regards. One is from Prabodh, whom I deeply admire. He said that everything is important, but not that much. What it means is uh, that while many things matter, but it's important to focus on what truly deserves your focus at that point of time. And another quote is from Paulo Coelho. He said that the busiest people uh, find time to do everything. So balance isn't about choosing one over the other. I would say it's about giving the right things the right attention at the right time. So I hope uh, you find that balance in your life. My hobby is cooking. I hope you find yours, and with that balance, you take your hobby and make your life centered, joyous, and fulfilled. Thank you.